Okay, first we're gonna make banana muffins, okay? We're gonna find out if Blue's Clues banana muffins are really good. This book is what? Very old. This is Kuya Riker's book, and Kuya Riker is already 8 years old. So, let's find out. Now we're gonna turn the oven to 350 degrees.
Oh.
Let it 1.5 cup of flour. Oopsie.
Mommy,
Oh my
can
goodness.
I do it?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. Let me just measure and then you put it on the thing. Here. That's 1 cup.
It's flat right there.
Put it there. Okay.
I put all of it in.
Yeah.
How to do that one?
Hold on. I need to measure and then I'll give it to you. And then this is a 1/2 cup. Okay.
Half cup.
Alright, put it there.
Yes.
Oh, there's more. All of it. Teaspoon of baking soda. So that's 1 teaspoon. And then 1/2 teaspoon more.
I want to do it. I want
Okay,
to do
hold
it.
on,
I want to
hold
do
on.
it. No, no, no.
Okay, 1/2 teaspoon.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay,
I
there
want to do it. Wow.
Okay, make sure you mix it well.
Turning good. Mommy's turning good.
Set it aside. Put it on the side. And then we have to melt some butter. 1/2 cup of butter. One cup of brown sugar. Put it. Oh, you have to put it there.
Mommy's like sad.
Here, help me mash the bananas. There you go. Then mommy will mix it for you, okay? All of it. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Two hands. A little more. Hold on. There, you see the crack? Now that's where you open it. There you go. Open. There you go. Yay! Good job. Okay, next, one more egg and cheese here. Instead of sour cream. Okay, a little closer here so we can put. There. Slowly so you don't spill the flour, okay? Just not too much. Yeah, just like that. Brush the inside. There you go. The side too. So make sure the muffin doesn't stick, okay? Scoop it like this.
Yeah.
Make sure it's full. Then you're just gonna put it there. There you
Can
go.
I do it?
Yeah.
You?
To 30 minutes. Here we go. Done. Let's see. Ooh, nice color. Look at that. Yeehaw.